Organic energy drink? Organic cherry juice, organic caffeine, organic sugar. Being healthy sucks, Bales. Then I also grabbed these. I'm not really sure why, but that's what I've been doing lately. I've just been going into Walmart, grabbing whatever I want for a meal, and eating it instantly, and having empty cabinets. Right, Bales? We got nothing in the cabinet. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Oh, there's a person over there. You want her to pet you, don't you? Yep. Are you gonna shock me? You gonna shock me? No. Wait, what am I looking at here? Wait, you gotta stay. That's not where you go. What is this? What do we got? We got an alien, Bob? Who is this? Who put this here? Anybody? Clearly not here. What is this? I don't understand. You're not supposed to be jumping, Bales. Whoa, jeez, man. You're not supposed to be jumping. I am so confused right now. I don't understand. I put it back because it looked like it kind of belonged there almost. Like he's along for the ride. The crazy alien in the crazy race car. You see this, everybody? That's a poopy Bales. A poopy Bales who's gonna start kicking. She's gonna start kicking up the grass. Wait, stop. You're not supposed to be kicking. Bales, are you rolling in the grass? Oh man, you're not supposed to be getting crazy today, Bales. You still gotta take it easy. What do you see, Bales? You see a doggy? There's a doggy over there. He's walking. The bear sees it. The bear wants to go see it, but you can't. You gotta stay here, okay? No running. Okay, so I want to show you guys the incisions just because I definitely want to document it and I want to be able to come back and look at it. But if you don't want to see the incisions, that's fine. You can just go ahead and you can skip to right here and you won't have to see them. So I'm gonna show you the incisions right now. Okay, so this is the bear's incisions. This is the small tumor that was removed, and this is the leg where there was 2 tumors. Now I was starting to get really concerned about how this leg looked. Like you can see, it's just all red and kind of disgusting looking, but I sent a picture to the vet and she said it was completely fine. She wasn't worried about it. So just keep watching it and make sure it doesn't turn yellow or anything like that. She said it's just a really deep incision, and so we just got to keep on cleaning it. We got to keep preventing the bears from licking it, and we just got to take good care of the bears, and she'll be all healed up pretty soon. What are you looking at? You see her? What does she see? Sometimes when she sees like an ant or something in the grass, she'll do that. Watch. You see that? What do you see? We gotta find it. There's clearly a bug or something walking around. Oh, I see it. There's a little fly right there. Oh, the bitch is rolling around. Hey, whoa. She's gonna spill the organic drink. Bales, you can't spill this organic drink. This is gonna make me live longer. You know, I gotta say, I'm totally bummed that I got this. I was so looking forward to enjoying a nice ice cold Monsty for the vid, and I made the impulsive decision to get this crap. If you're ever in the same position as me and you see this and you're thinking about getting it, do yourself a huge favor and just don't do it. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. All right, it's time to get out of here. We got some visitor. Hey, come here. This way. We got some dogs visiting and they're playing over there. And the Bess is going crazy. She's trying to get over to him. She wants to go play, but she cannot play. So we gotta go. She's probably gonna mess her leg up trying to get over to him. Oh yeah, forgot about this thing. What is this? Who put that there? I think it was Randy Bear 5000 because I was with him last night and he left before me. If it wasn't you, then I think that the Papa Prius summons aliens from another galaxy. All right, Mrs. Bez, I hope you enjoyed. I know it was a short session, but at least you got to get out of the house for a little while. I just came to the post office because I hadn't been here in a while and I just realized it's Sunday. What are you doing, Pierce? Oh, you cute. You want some water? We gotta go get you some water. I know at my previous P.O. box you could just walk in whenever you wanted. It was just a desk. Oh, it is. Yeah, they just closed the desk, but you can still go to your P.O. box, which is freaking really nice. I like that. That's actually something I need to remember because I feel like, whoa, oh no. Okay, this is why I'm supposed to come here when it's open, because we got packages, but they're behind the desk, so we can't go get them. Oh crap. It looks like UPS tried to deliver me 2 packages, but they were returned to the sender like several weeks ago. I haven't been here in so long. I'm gonna just leave these in here and hopefully I can remember to come back like tomorrow or something. Probably not. All right, Bez, we gotta figure out. You listen to rap music in here, Bez? I guess it's been a long time since I've been in my P.O. box. I didn't realize it's been like a half of a month, almost a month. Jeez, what's wrong with me? Okay, so it was returned to sender from Largo, Florida, received by Tanya. I'm so sorry, Tanya. Okay, so that's never happened before, but I want that to serve as a warning, right, Bales? A warning that if you're ever gonna send me mail, you need to check if it's gonna be anything besides USPS, because that's who the box is owned by. You gotta check to make sure that they deliver to P.O. boxes, and if they don't bother sending it to me, because there's a chance There's a chance that I can get busy and I could be going to Rhode Island and I could be having surgery for the bales and I could just forget to check my P.O. box. So it's very important that you make sure this doesn't happen to you because I feel so bad. Freaking Tanya, man. Tanya, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I love you. I would share this pineapple with you if I could, but you live in Florida. Good girl, Bales. You did a good job today. I'm so proud of you. The Bales is thirsty. Actually reminds me what we need to do today. So I got sent this by a company called Pet. They actually sent me something else in the past. They sent me this thing. This mural thing, right? Didn't they? Pet? Designed by Doge. Okay, whatever. Well, anyways, the same girl messaged me on email and she was like, yo, I want you to have this. Of course, this is an unpaid advertisement, but I did get this thing for free and I have absolutely no idea how much it costs, but I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna test it for you. So my understanding of what this is basically it's just gonna be, I don't even know actually. So basically I have no idea what this is, but I know that the water flows around in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Interesting. That's the year I was born, Bales. Step 1, wash thoroughly. Step 2, fill the tank with 2 liters of water. Personally, I would rather fill it up with 2 liters of Monster Energy, but you know, I wouldn't recommend doing that. Your dog might not be able to handle it. Your dog might turn into a raccoon or a caterpillar, so don't do that. Step 78, attach the pump bob on the inside of this quacking nozzle. Step 7208, insert the quacking nozzle onto the bottom of this big tray. Then you just stick the wire through this hole right here, and the wire just kind of sticks out the back. It's like a tail. It's like the Bale's tail. Yeah, like the bear's tail. You see this tail right here? It's the same thing, Bales. It's the same exact thing as your water bowl. It's crazy, huh? Step 10 million in 5, do this. Step 20 million in 6, do this. Oh wait, just kidding, I'm stupid. Step 25 million. Step 4.5. Step dinosaur. Stephen Curry powder. Unicorn eyeball professor. And I want to say that that'll do it. Of course, I could be very wrong. Let's see what happens. It's doing something. It's doing something. It's doing something. It's doing something. It's filling up. What's happening? Is that what it does? Is that it? Is it doing it? Check it out. It's freaking doing something. I mean, looking at the box, it's looking like I'm getting even more flow than they're getting. Bales. Okay. All right. Here's the action-packed Bales drinking device. At least you knew what it was. Alright, I guess it's filtering the water. I think what it's supposed to do is filter the slobber out so you don't have a bunch of slobber and like fur in the water bowl, which is kind of gross. That's something that happens sometimes. So that's the whole point of this thing. It's making a mess though. Well, this is quite an interesting contraption. Unfortunately, I cannot recommend it. Yeah, instead we'll just give the Bale some water in a bowl, right? In a bowl, you want the water? That's what I thought, Bales. The Bales loves that good old-fashioned water. Hi, Kleb. I like Bales and your vids. They are very funny and also very cool. Also, I have learned many things from Taco Bell. Love, Ryan Griswold from San Diego, California. P.S. I tried my best to outline it. Look at that, we got Taco Bell. Taco Gym Association and Learning Center. Thank you so much, Mr. Ryan. I really appreciate it. The Bales does too. We can always appreciate a good chap who loves the Taco Gym Association and loves the Bales. And now our second letter today is from Chase. I believe that would be Chase on 2 wheels. So, Mr. Chase on 6 wheels says, switch to Chase and get up to $600. Then he gave me this. He gave me basically $500 in a payment of $300 and $200. So basically, I think if I switch to Chase, I can get $600 or something like that. You know, I don't even know. Thank you, Mr. Chase on 6 wheels. I really appreciate it. You keep on sending me $500. You know, I'm just gonna have to lick you eventually. Oh crap! Look what I just found on my lap.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
You ready to eat?
I'm ready to eat.
I'm gonna go light it up.
All right.
Look at, she's just walking around like it's no big deal.
Yeah, I know.
Wow, man, they went all the way. I hope they got it all.
She went to the park today for the first time.
Oh, did she?
Yeah.
You went to the park today with Daddy, huh? You and Daddy go to the park today?
Anyways, what do we have here? Mr. Ryan, did you even mention this in your letter? I don't understand. But check it out. We got the Christmas tree sword combination blend patch. Check it out. It's like a shield of goodwill. I wish it could fit in my eye socket, but it just kind of falls out. But if it did fit in my eye socket, I would wear it to school every single day. But I don't go to school, but if I did go to school, then you get the point. Our neighbor Bill's cooking some fish up.
Oh yeah.
What do we got?
We have half a king salmon from Alaska.
From Alaska?
Exactly.
Did you catch it?
No, I didn't. Some friends of mine did. It was restitution for helping them move.
All right.
So
we got it all wrapped up. We're putting it on right now.
yeah, I'm gonna throw this bad boy on. Mine. You guys? Is that good?
Yeah, whatever.
All right.
It's gonna be 20 minutes. 20 minutes, you're gonna be eating some salmon. I don't know if you've ever had salmon before. Do you even know what you're about to experience, Bales? I think it's gonna be something amazing. Bill's been interested in starting up a YouTube channel.
Hey guys, how you doing? And my channel is gonna. Hey Bales, this is the Bales. This is the Bales.
That's the Bales.
I just turned 60, and so I decided to help other people who have acne and things on their face, and what I do to keep my face clean and looking the way it does. So that's what the channel is going to be about. Look for it. I'm going to upload a video tonight. All right. Talk to you guys later.
Guys, if you're interested, you want to know how to keep your face clean, you gotta check it out. I'm gonna keep convincing Bill. He's gonna be pumping out some vids. Bill doesn't want to sit still. She just wants to walk. She keeps trying to pull away. But you're not even supposed to be walking, Bales. You already went to the park today. You gotta take it easy, okay?
Yeah, salmon's looking good.
It's looking done.
Looking done.
Look at that, it's sizzling.
Look at that, man.
Hey, Bales. Hey, Bales, you smell it? You ready? Are you excited? Are you excited for the salmon? All right, so here we have the sacred fish that Bill caught with his bare hands in the Alaskan Congo. All right, everybody, here we go. I got the salmon. I picked all the bones out. So without any further ado, Bales, I present you with this wild, fresh, Alaskan, hand-caught salmon. Enjoy.
She's like inhaling. That was a lot of salmon. Look, it's like gone.
Wow. It's all gone. All right, that wasn't sped up or anything. It's just gone. You ate way too fast. What'd you think? Say thank you, Bill.
You're welcome, Bale.
Thanks, Bill.
Hey,
appreciate it.
You're more than welcome anytime.
All right.
All right, man.
Thanks, Bill.
Hey, you're welcome.
Bills, do you love Bill? Yeah, the best loves Bill. The best loves anybody who gives her yummies. Hello.
Hi, calling regarding Bailey's histopathy result.
Oh, okay.
So they all came back as mast cell tumor, which is great that we took it all out. Yeah, and the one on the left leg is grade 1 out of grade 3 out of 3 grades, and the one on the right is grade 2 out of 3 grades. But they all low grade, which is a good news. And they all have a complete excision and with a clean margin. We are in a good shape right now. So basically, hopefully it will not regrow from the incision. Will new one pop up somewhere else? If possible, because the breed. Yeah.
Sure.
So you just need to be very, very observative and touching her, like just like look around all the time, like make sure that she doesn't have anything new pop up. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
All right. I'll see you in a few days. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Well, Baz, did you hear what she said? It sounded like you're cancer-free. Woohoo! Yeah! So now we just gotta monitor the bales and make sure no new tumors pop up and hopefully go into tumor prevention mode. What I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about switching her diet. I don't really have a lot of faith in the diet that I give her. I don't think it's very nutritious, and I think that I'm not gonna do a raw diet. I know a lot of people want me to do a raw diet. I was doing a lot of research and I found this website where you can type in your dog's information and they create a diet for your dog. Now the diet is completely human food, and it's all human food that's safe for dogs, and it basically gives the dog all the nutrients that it needs that would normally be in its dog food. It's just healthier and you know what's going into your dog, and it's not no random nutrients. Now the other thing, I wanna know if you guys have an opinion on this. Basically what people say to do, and it's a decent amount of people say this, you're supposed to feed your dog once a day, and you just feed them the full amount that they would get split into two, but you just feed it to them once. And apparently the reasoning for this is because when your dog's metabolism is running, it is unable to fight cancer the way that it's supposed to. And according to all these doctors that are making these claims, this is for vets and for humans, if your metabolism isn't using any energy, it's all going to go to your immune system, and your immune system will be able to better fight any cancer that shows up in the body or currently exists in the body. This sounds pretty good. If you guys got any secret crazy witchcraft information that you could fill me in on, I'd also appreciate it. The Biz would appreciate it too. Biz says, I don't want to go through this again. You see this awful thing? You see these staples? Yeah, the Bears doesn't want that to happen again. But don't worry, Bears. We're gonna do our very best. We're gonna keep you nice and safe, nice and healthy. But you're doing a really good job, okay? Just keep it up. Just keep it up and you'll be strong, okay? You're gonna get all better. All right, you wanna go potty? Let's go potty one last time. I'm in my boxers. Oh my God. I look like a freaking active duty Marine. I don't know why I'm wearing this stuff. Oh my God, it's actually freaking hot out for the first time ever since like last summer at night. Where are you going? Come here. You gotta go potty over here. Let's go potty. Good girl, Bios. That's my good girl. Hey, what do you see? She sees something. Come on, let's go. All right, Bios. Well, it's a mess in here. Take a look. We got the chairs from earlier. We got all kinds of stuff. We got the bale station where I monitor the bales. And so with that, I've got this garage door opener, which smells like clementine sausage, which is kind of like a weird combo. I wouldn't normally expect that. But Bales and I, with the cocky boy action, we will see you on the puppy next one. Well, it's not working. I don't know why. Why is it not working? Oh,